Flood-prone. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Carson County, northeastern Potter County, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles south of Lake Meredith, or 17 miles northeast of Amarillo, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Carson and northeastern Potter counties. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the Panhandle of Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Carson and Potter. Flood